Whoa. Hi guys, JTR Bricks here. Here comes another train. I fell right as I got out of the car.
Get up there, get up there.
It's cold. No, by the way, tomorrow it's high 2.
So we were gonna go tomorrow, but we came today.
And right now it's only 19 with about 12.
I didn't pick up the idea.
I know it's
Or the scan.
I know it's an eastbound because we're here to clear the defect detector. There it is.
CNS leader?
Is it? I think it is. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there it is. Orange led by an NS. 36, 12, 52, 68, 77. Woo! Yeah. That's cool, an NS leader. Woo! Sorry if it's shaky because I'm cold.
Me and that one video was filmed like a week ago. Look, sorry if it seems like I'm cold because I am cold. Oh my gosh.
That wind is strong. Oh my god.
I don't have my gloves on.
Sorry that I'm shivering.
Scared out of the snow.
Can't imagine what it's gonna be like tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna be way colder. It'll be nice to know the scan if when it clears that thing down there, or whatever it's called, a signal.
It hasn't picked it up yet.
I'm sorry. Long tanker train.
Yeah, so I guess it is a tanker train. That was nice forest. So there's the end.
There's the end. And there it goes. Wow. Nice action today. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to JTR Bricks. See ya.